Welcome in this short presentation of the 4Industry platform. I'm going to show you the 4Industry mobile application, available today and used by more than 18,000 users worldwide. You will see that it's quite intuitive and only a small training is necessary to use it. During this demo, we'll follow an operator that wishes to fix a machine that loses speed. By registering a deviation and follow suggested work instruction, 4Industry will help to resolve the issue faster and reduce MTTR. This will make operators' life easier by knowing what to do, how to do it, where and when to do it. At the end, we'll have a look at a safety issue and a related assessment. I'm on an iPad and you can see here one of the main screens with the list of open deviations. This allows me to see what's currently wrong in my plant and avoid paper sharing or phone call. I want to fix the loss of speed on my machine, so I'm going to register the deviation by pressing the plus button. I could also create new IDs or register a safety issue in the same place. This is the deviation form. It's customizable to fit your needs with an easy drag and drop editor. First, let's add a picture. I pick one and draw on it to highlight the issue. Next, I'm going to add a title and a description. In my case, I register a deviation with the conveyor belt which is running slow. Data input in this screen will be used later to suggest knowledge items, such as checklist, work instruction, or knowledge articles. Here, I select the category connected to each OEE factor, the impact, and the severity. To select the equipment, I could search in the list, scan QR codes or NFC chips, but instead I will scan nearby beacons. Finally, I can select applicable failure modes. Let's save the deviation. The app can work offline, but now it's going to sync with the server and fetch suggested items. 3 checklist items has been recommended by 4Industry machine learning using data input. Those suggestions are the most common items to be checked and are here to avoid oversight. I can add my own checklist item to be used in future deviations. In the next tab, I share notes with my colleagues in real time, so no knowledge is lost in the resolution process. Like for checklist items, machine learning suggests knowledge articles, assessment, or work instructions. This is an example of a text manual, but 4Industry supports images and videos. In order to fix my conveyor issue, I will request this work instruction for myself, but it's possible to send it to a colleague. We just saw how to create easy and quickly a deviation. Being digital helps to speed up the resolution process by suggesting action upfront and have the same information everywhere. This translates to concrete improvement in effectiveness, with one plant going from 18 to 7 days to resolve a deviation. I switch now to the Tasks tab, which contains job and assessment assigned to me. As an operator, this list makes clear what I need to do today and avoid paper schedule. Let's open the lubricating conveyor belt work instruction that I've requested to myself earlier. First thing that we see is a safety reminder that the line should be stopped. Other safety-related reminders can be displayed in order to increase danger awareness. Let's start to follow our work instruction with each step being text, image, or video. Images can be zoomed if necessary, so the operator can better see a part. Time spent on each step is recorded. Disparities in step duration could mean a lack of training in a shift, for example. Work instructions like this one are built using drag and drop. This allows anyone, like a maintenance worker, to build a work instruction and thus improving knowledge gathering. It's possible to have inputs in work instruction, and those values can be used anywhere else in 4Industry or be sent to an external system like SPC. You could even start to collect data manually and later install an IoT device to do that automatically. And with that said, let's finish our job and send it to the server. This part was all about digital work instruction. Anyone with little training can build them, so knowledge can be captured better. Step by step helps to reduce training time, so workers could do more by themselves. Digital means that the latest approved version is always used. This helps to ensure a single, consistent way to work. And 4Industry makes easy to collect feedback or ID from users. This improves working conditions, but also personal satisfaction. For the last part of the mobile app tour, let's have a sneak peek on a safety issue, as a good planned OEE depends on a good workplace. Prior to the demo, I registered an accident in a similar way as the deviation. I also configure a workflow that generates an assessment each time an accident is registered. In the assessment list, here is the accident classification assessment. Let's open it. This assessment is used to collect information related to the accident. Like work instruction, it has been built using a drag-and-drop editor. Digital assessment facilitates follow-up as they can be integrated into automated workflows. You can use assessment to build audits with over 15 kinds of data type and an easy way to capture feedback with photo and comments. This finished the tour of the mobile application, but the 4Industry platform is larger than that. Let's quickly check two other features. Every data in 4Industry is in one database and usable for report, so you no longer need to spend hours to collect data for dashboard or to prepare an analysis. Root cause analysis can be done digitally in real time, enabling better interaction with engineering teams or between client and vendor. I hope you did enjoy this quick demo and let us know if you have any questions.